In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your activity on LinkedIn. If you're someone who values their privacy and wants to control their online presence, then this guide is just for you. We're going to walk through the process step by step, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to linkedin.com. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in. You have several options for doing this. You can use your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, simply input your email address and password. It's a fairly straightforward process, but in case you encounter any issues, don't worry, you can reset your password by selecting the Forgot Password option. Additionally, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn will request you to verify your account. A code will be sent to your phone number, which you'll need to enter to proceed. This step is crucial as it serves as an extra layer of security, ensuring your account is protected from unauthorized access. Once you're logged in and verified, direct your attention to your profile picture, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on your profile picture will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section is your main hub where you can fine-tune your privacy preferences on LinkedIn. Next, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Visibility. This section is quite important as it determines how others can interact with your profile and view the information you share on the platform. Under the Visibility settings, you'll come across a category called Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. Here's where you want to focus. Look for the option labeled Manage Active Status and go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll be presented with a few options that will dictate who can see your active status. The first option is No One. As you might have guessed, selecting this ensures that nobody on LinkedIn can see when you're online. If maintaining your privacy is a top priority, this is likely the option for you. The second option is Your Connections Only. Opting for this setting means that only your first-degree connections will be able to see when you are active. This can be a happy medium if you want to remain available to your closer network but prefer not to broadcast your activity to everyone. Finally, there's the choice of All LinkedIn Members. By selecting this, any member on LinkedIn can view your online status. This might be perfect for those who are open to networking and appreciate real-time interactions on the platform. Once you've chosen the visibility setting that best suits your needs, you don't have to worry about saving the changes. LinkedIn automatically saves your adjustments, so you're instantly good to go. And there you have it. You now know how to control who can see your active status on LinkedIn, allowing you to create a more personalized and secure experience on your professional network.